Good afternoon and a very warm welcome to Qurtoba Coop. It is a great honor to host you today in this quiet mountain bunker. We are a leading coop, always targeting the best innovation in the country. Hence, we are proud to see that there is scope to run the American product. Our customers always check high quality and unique products, and we have sanctioned this opportunity without second thought. On behalf of the Coop Board and management, I want to thank the USNBC for their presence today and our close partner Kuwait Agro for creating this marvelous concept and choosing Qurtoba Coop to launch it. I invite our customers to visit and get delighted with the best of American feathers. Best again, thank you.
Your Excellency, Charge d'Affaires at the American Embassy, Mr. Larry Memmott, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Jamil Sultan was a leading Kuwaiti entrepreneur who have built excellent relationships with US government, with US trade and with US people. Like father, like son, Mr. Faisal Sultan is another advocate of this direction and have accordingly decided to mass market the US products across the nation. The American truck is a unique concept by Kuwait Agro, bringing the finest American products in a one-stop shop. Now the vision is to implant this piece of art across every online and offline retailer in Kuwait as well as the region. We are so proud of what we are doing today, and our vision is to go beyond the borders of Kuwait and definitely beyond the borders of this co-op. I want to take this opportunity first and foremost to thank you, Mr. Larry, for honoring us with your presence today in this current circumstances. This demonstrates your appreciation first to the historical bilateral relationship between Kuwait and the United States, and second, your commitment to promote the best of American products in Kuwait. I want to thank Qurtoba Coop Board, management and entire staff for hosting the first truck. A special thanks goes to Mr. Basri, Mr. Dusari and Mr. Hmedi for embracing this concept, for believing in it and for being the first and foremost co-op to launch this beautiful piece of art. I want to thank also the Embassy Commercial Section, Mrs. Shari and team. I want to thank the USDA office in Dubai. I want to thank our partner supplier in the US, International Exports, and big thanks to our valuable team for making this event as successful. Before I just leave the word to Your Excellency, until we meet over another success story, I pass my sincere gratitude once again and my kindest regards. Thank you so much.
Mr. Chairman and Mr. Makram Malaeb, thank you very much. This is a great day and this is great fun. And I was looking at some of the products as I went around the truck. I don't know if my daughter would survive without the Pop-Tarts. Some of the other products around on the back side that I saw there are things that usually when I go back to the United States, one of the first things I would buy is a packet of Twinkies, because I haven't had them for 3 years while I was overseas. But in Kuwait, it's different. In Kuwait, we're bringing all of the products, all of the best things, and it is so exciting. So many Kuwaitis go to the United States and they travel there, they study there, they go to the fantastic tourist destinations, they take advantage of the lucrative business deals in the United States, and they come back with a taste for American products. And that is the group of people who you are focusing on here. You're bringing them the things that they've fallen in love with while they were visiting my home country. Or for some of us, you're bringing us some of these products are things that I have not tasted yet. So for those of us who are curious about a new flavor sensation, something new to do, something new to try, you're bringing things that people haven't seen before and haven't tried before. It is great to see Kuwait, as usual, on the leading edge, bringing something new that then you'll be able to pass on to other countries in the region. So it's just so exciting to be here today with you, and I want to congratulate you for a fantastic idea and a beautiful execution. And I'm sure we are going to see many, many more and much more expansion of this idea as we move forward. So thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. We're just going to give you a souvenir of the event. Just a small souvenir.
بس عطوها طريقة التصريف بليز.
بس نستعد الأسيل.
Excuse me. Yeah, come
Ah,
back.
my own little American truck. Beautiful.
شباب خلص. شو ما فينا مزاج. Excuse me again, please. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, of course.
لا أنت شو؟ Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.